Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a strawberry popsicle using your old strawberry sauce. Stay tuned.